17 Flora virtual tour, Bedford, Ohio. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. We just updated it. 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 1 on the upstairs, 1-car garage. Let's go inside. So here's the kitchen, got gas cooking. All the cabinets are refinished. Very nice big kitchen. Brand new plug switches, lights, paint. New floor in the bathroom, all painted. Nice bathroom, full bath. And then the bedrooms are all painted. Nice big bedrooms with closets. Very, very functional house. There's another. So this is, you can see this is a nice property. Again, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath on the bottom with a living room, kitchen. Here's your living room, nice big living room. Let me see. Plenty of room. Then it has a bedroom upstairs, a big one. So let's go up there. So you can see here, here's like an office area for the upstairs bedroom. And here's the main part of it, pine wood, all refinished. Paint, plug switches. Place looks nice. Then we have a full basement. Let's go down there and look at that. Go down here. So you have plenty of room for storage. The laundry area is right there. You know, here's your storage. So all that's over there. Then you have this one area here that's great size. So this is big. It's got plugs in the, you can put TVs down here, whatever. So this is a nice big area. You can put a throw rug, couches, but whatever you want down here. So this is the end of your virtual tour, but this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, Bedford, Ohio. Nice property. Thanks.